This is our second HTML task. We are creating another HTML web page. Open your notepad. We are creating our second web page. First of all, we need to set HTML structure. Doc type HTML, close, opening the HTML tag, close HTML tag. Within the HTML tag, start head tag, close head tag. After head tag, add body tag, closing the body tag. This is our HTML web page structure. Now save this file. Click here, select desktop, second page .html. Save the file. Now, first of all, we need to set our web page title. Opening the title tag, second web page, closing the title tag, save. Check output. Second web page. This is our second web page. Okay. Go to the editor. Now we are going to set the background color in the body element. You will be doing this by adding the style attribute to the body tag. Let's say you wanted to make your entire web page color is red. You will set in the body tag. In the body tag tab, style attribute. In the style attribute, write background dash color, double colon, color name, yellow, semicolon. Save this file and check, refresh this page. You can see the whole web page has yellow background color. Also, you can use this CSS attribute in the text, in the paragraph, in the heading, and other text tags. For example, we are going to write some headings in the body portion. Opening heading, H1, close H1. Within the H1, I am writing heading 1. In the browser, refresh this browser. If I want to change the background color of this heading and text color of this heading, I will use style attribute in the heading tag. Here, H1, give space, write style attribute, style, background color is white, and the text color is black. Save and refresh this page. Now you can see the text color is black and the background color is white. Actually, by default, heading color is black, so I'm going to change another one, red, and save this. Refresh. You can see the heading has different background color and different text color due to style attribute. You can also use this attribute in the paragraph tag, in the body tag, and other heading tag. Wherever you want to design or resize image you can use the style attribute. I'm going to write another heading, H2, close H2. I'm writing second headings. Refresh the browser. Now I'm going to set the background color blue and the text color green or yellow. Within the H2, write style attribute. Within the quotation, set color. Color is equal to yellow. Gray. Save. Go to the page and refresh. Now the color heading color is black. Set background color. Background color is green. Go to the web page and refresh the screen. Now you can see the background color is green and the heading 2 color is gray. Now I'm going to another heading H5 space style. Here set background color black and the color is white. Right here, fifth heading, close H5. Save and refresh. Now you can see this is our fifth tag. The background color is black and the text color is white. Now I'm going to write a paragraph and I will change the background color and text color using style attribute. Opening the paragraph tag, style, close. Okay, close paragraph tag. Set background color green, text color yellow. Save, open the browser and refresh the file. Now you can see the background color is green and the text color and the colors set spelling. Now refresh the screen. You can see the background color is green and the text color is yellow. In our recent text, we have used a heading, paragraph tag, and image. Now in our second page, I'm using image tag and we will optimize the image with style attribute. Opening the image tag, img, source src, we will write image path here, close. We have image on our desktop screen. The main name is Amazon, right? Amazon.jpg. Okay, refresh. It's not working because image type is JPEG. How you can find the image type? Go to the image, right click on the image, select property and check image type. The image type or image extension is .jpeg. Write JPG here and open the browser, refresh the page. So we have this image. Now we need to resize the image as per our need. We will use style attribute inside the image tag. Style here as site width as 250, height also 250. Save and refresh the browser. So working, not working. Okay, it's style width 250 px. Okay. Now you can see the image width is 250 and the height is 250. If I change the image height width 350, then it will increase here. Refresh. You can see the height is increased. In the second, we have created a web page structure. We have set title, web page title in the header portion, and the title is here in the browser taskbar. And in the body element, we have declared some heading. We have write another paragraph tag. We have used image in image tag. In all of these tags, I have used style attribute, CSS attribute for changing their colors, background, and size value. Now I'm going to share this source code in the video description. You can copy and paste in your notepad or HTML code editor and check output. Careful, your image and the file HTML file should be placed in the same place or same folder. For example, if I am creating a new folder here, HTML task, then this image and picture should be placed in the same folder. If I open this page, the image will be here. I'm also pressing second one, open the second page. Okay. Keep your practice to improve your HTML. Okay, thank you so much. Take care.